Let's recap the key takeaways from this section of the course. We learned how a C++ program is run, namely that the source code we write is compiled into object files, which are then put through a linker and packaged into an executable file. We also looked at the include preprocessor directive, which allows us to import code that we can use in our C++ program. The main function is the entry point when running a C++ program, and it is important to understand that you have to have a main function in your program so that the code knows where to start executing. In C++, cout is the standard output stream and enables us to output information to the console. The insertion operator can be used to put information in cout. There are 4 main built-in types provided by the C++ programming language, which are booleans, characters, integers, and floating point numbers. A boolean is a variable that can be one of 2 values, true or false. A character is one character of text inside of single quotes. An integer is a positive or negative whole number, or 0. And a floating point number, like a float or double, has a decimal point in its value. C++ provides us arithmetic operators that we can use to perform mathematical operations on numbers. When using these operators, it is important to understand the order of their evaluation. Comparison operators allow us to compare 2 values. A constant is a variable marked with the constant